So hello everyone, welcome to the channel Mathwala Mahesh. Today we will start the next exercise, which is exercise 1.1b. Let's move to the first question. Okay, in this question we will have to convert a mass of 5 kg to 5 grams. Okay, so first option is change 5 kg to grams. Okay, we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 5 kg equal to 5 into 1000, which is 5000 grams. Okay, so for first the answer is 5000 grams. Second one, 644 gram to kg. Now 644 gram. So we know that 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 1 gram equal to 1 kg upon 1000. So 644 gram, which is 1 kg upon 1000. So the answer is 0.644 kg. Now next one. So the answer for this one is 0.644 kg. Third one, 97 milligram to gram. Now we know that 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram. So 1 milligram equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. So 97 milligram equal to 97 into 1 upon 1000 gram. So the answer is 0.097 gram. For C, the answer is 0.097 gram. Now next one, 0.25 gram to milligram. So this one you will do by yourself. 0.25 gram to milligram. Now 15 kg to tons. 1 ton equal to 1000 kg. So 1 kg equal to 1 upon 1000 tons. So 15 kg equal to 15 into 1 upon 1000 tons, which is 0.015 tons. So for this one, 0.015 ton. I hope you understand that how we convert all the like questions from kg to grams, from gram to milligrams. So all these quantity you have to remember that 1 kg equal to 1000 grams and 1 grams equal to 1000 milligram and 1 ton equal to 1000 kg, or we can say 1000 into 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So any quantity we can change according to this. Okay, so you remember all these formulas, all these conversion. Now moving to second question. Convert a length of 4.7 kilometer to meter. For this one, we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 4.7 kilometer equal to 4.7 into 1000 meter, which is 4700 meter. 4700 meter. Second one, 36 meter equal to 36 upon 1000 kilometer, because 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, so 1 meter equal to 1 kilometer upon 1000, so 0.036 kilometer. Now C option. 8.2 millimeter to centimeter. We know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. So 8.2 millimeter equal to 8.2 upon 10 centimeter, 0.82 centimeter. So 0.82 centimeter. Now this question, D option, you will do by yourself, and E option, centimeter to meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 upon 100 meter, and 78 centimeter equal to 78 upon 100, which is 0.78 meter. So this one is 0.78 meter, and 0.006 meter to centimeter, 0.0006 meter. We can write 0.006 into 100 centimeter, so 0.06 centimeter. This is the answer. Moving to next question. A playing card has an area of 1800 millimeter square. Find its area in centimeter square. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So if we multiply 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, then it is 1 centimeter square. Then we also have to multiply 10 mm into 10 mm, which is 100 mm square. So we can change any quantity if we know the basics. So now how we can change 1800 mm square, because 100 mm square equal to 1 centimeter square. So 1 mm square equal to 1 upon 100 centimeter square. So 1800 into 1 upon 100 centimeter square, which is 18 centimeter square, 20 18 centimeter square. This is our correct answer. Now B option. Find the total area in centimeter square of 52 identical cards. Now total area of 52 cards equal to 52 into 18, because area is in centimeter square, 18 centimeter square. So there are 52 identical cards. So one card, like area of one card is 18 centimeter square, then area of 52 cards is 52 into 18 centimeter square. So if we multiply, then the answer would be 936 centimeter square. So this is our correct answer. Now moving to fourth question. A field has an area of 0.0075 kilometer square. Find its area in square meters and hectares. First, we know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer, which is 1000 meter into 1000 meter. So 1 kilometer square equal to this one, meter square. So we have 0.0075 kilometer square, then we have to multiply 0.0075 into this one, and the answer is 7500 meter square. So the area in square meter is 7500 meter square. Okay, now we have to change area in hectares. So remember this one, 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter square. Okay, so 1 meter square equal to 1 upon 10,000 hectare, and we have 7500 meter square. So 7500 meter square equal to 7500 into 1 upon 10,000 hectare. So the calculation, it is 0.75 hectares. This is our correct answer, 0.75 hectares. Okay. Now moving to fifth question. Mohammed has 2.5 liter bottle full of milk. If he fills 350 ml cups, how much milk remains in the bottle? So we know that 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter ml. So 2.5 liter equal to 2.5 into 1000 ml, which is 2500 ml. ml is milliliter. Now if he fills 5 350 ml cups, 1 cup equal to 350 ml. So 5 cups equal to 5 into 350 ml, which is 1750 ml. And how much milk remains in the bottle? So the remaining remaining milk equal to total minus 1750, because he fills 5 cups of 350 ml, then the remaining is total minus 1750, so total is 25 ml minus 1750 ml, and the answer is 750 ml. And we can convert this into liter, which is 750 upon 1000 liter, 0.75 liter. Okay, so the answer is 0.75 liter, or you can write 750 ml. Both are correct. Now moving to next question. An ornament occupies 200 centimeter cube. Convert this volume to millimeter cube. Okay, we know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So if we multiply 1 centimeter 3 times, 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, then we also have to multiply 10 mm into 10 mm into 10 mm. This is 1 centimeter cube, which is 1000 millimeter cube. So this is how we convert 1 centimeter cube in 1000 millimeter cube. Now we have 200 centimeter cube. Converting this to millimeter, we have to multiply 200 into 1000. Then this is our 200. This is 2 lakhs millimeter cube. Okay, so this is our correct answer. Now moving to 7th question. Refer to the timetable showing bus times from the station to the airport. How long does the journey from the railway station to the market? How long does the bus take to travel from the bus station back to the station? So in this question, I forgot to insert the table. So this question I will solve after this video. Okay. So first we have to solve 8th question, because I forgot the table in this PDF. So first we have to solve 8th question. A school play lasts 2 hours 35 minutes and finishes at 21 hours 20 minutes. At what time did it begin? Give your answer in both 12 hours and 24-hour format. So we know that the total play duration is 2 hours 35 minutes. Now 2 hours 35 minutes and finishes at 21 hours 20 minutes format. So this is our 24-hour format and this is our 12-hour format. Okay, At what time did it begin? So the start is finishes at 20 21 hour and 20 minutes, and play last at play duration total play duration is 2 hours 35 minutes. So we have to subtract this one, 2 hours 35 minutes. So if we subtract 21 hour 20 minutes to 2 hours 35 minutes, then the answer is 18:45 18 hour 45 minutes. Okay, this is our 20-hour format, and we have to provide the answer in 24-hour and 12-hour. So 18 means 6:45. This is our 12-hour. We know that the clock we use, which is in 12-hour format. So this is our 12, and this is our 1, 2, 3, this type. So if we have to change in 24 hours, then we have to write 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 in this format to 24 till 24. So after 12 there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so this is how we get 18:45, and we converted 18 into 6. Okay, so this is our 12-hour format, and this is our 24-hour format. Okay, moving to next one. 3 examinations each last 2 hours 45 minutes. Find the total duration of all 3. Each exam duration is 2 hours 45 minutes. So one exam duration is 2 hours 45 minutes. Then 3 exams duration equal to 3 into 2 hours 45 minutes. And how can we multiply? We multiply 3 hours 3 into 2 hours, plus we multiply 3 into 45 minutes. So this is 3 hours, 3 into 2 6 hours, plus 3 into 45 is 135 minutes, and we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, and 2 hour equal to 120 minutes. And if we add plus 15 minutes, then it is 135 minutes, and we can write 2 hours 15 minutes equal to 135 minutes. Okay, so 6 hour plus 135 minutes is 2 hour plus 15 minutes. So 6 hour plus 2 hour 8 hour, 8 hour and 15 minutes. This is our total duration. Now moving to next one. find the length of time from 10 hour 25 minutes on Monday to 8:15 a.m. on Wednesday of the same week. Okay, so we have to find the total length of 10:25 p.m. on Monday to 8:15 a.m. on Wednesday. Okay, we know that 10:25 p.m. this is our Monday. Now, if we add 24 hours, then we will move to next day 10:25 p.m. which is Tuesday. Okay, so now we have to move on Wednesday 8:15 a.m. 8:15 a.m. which is in the morning and this is in the night. So from 10:25 p.m. if we add total of 9 hours, and from there first we move to 35 minutes. If we add 35 minutes, then it is 11 p.m. and plus 1 hour which is 12 p.m. Okay, 12 p.m. in the night. If we add 8 hours and 15 minutes, then we will back to 8:15 a.m. So how much time we add? 15 minutes and 1 hour. If we add 15 minutes, then the time is 11 p.m. Okay, I am doing once again so you will understand it better. Changing the color of pen. So if I add 35 minutes, then the time is 11 p.m. Okay, and if I add 1 hour, then the time is 12 p.m. Okay, I am adding 35 minutes, 1 hour, and if I add 8 hours 15 minutes, okay, if I add 8 hours 15 minutes, then the time is 8:15 a.m. on Wednesday. So how much time we add? First we add 24 hours, 24 plus 1 hour plus 1 plus 8 hours plus 35 minutes and 15 minutes is 50 minutes. So this is 25 and 8 33 hours and 50 minutes. So total time, this is total length of the time we moved from Monday to Wednesday. Okay, this is the total length of time. We can write 33 hours 50 minutes, or we can write one day and 9 hours 50 minutes. Okay, so both are correct. 33 hours 50 minutes and 1 day 9 hours 50 minutes. So both are correct answers. So 11th question. Tennis match lasts from 8:40 a.m. to 1:10 p.m. How long does it last? Okay, so 8:40 a.m. which is in morning, 1:10 p.m. which is afternoon. This is afternoon. So how much time we had? We can write 13 and 10 p.m. because this is our 12-hour format and this is our 24-hour format. So if we subtract 13, 10 minus 840, then we will find the answer, which is 4 hour, 4 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, 4 hours and 30 minutes. This is our correct answer. 4 hours 30 minutes. B option. What is B option? Rain started at 9:45 p.m. on Monday and continued for 14.75 hours. When did the rain stop? Give an answer in 12-hour and 24-hour format. So the starting time of rain started at 9:45 p.m. and this is our 9:40 p.m. on Monday and continued for 14.75 hours. So 14.75 hour means we can write 14 hour plus 0.75 hour. So 0.75 hour means divided by 100, which is 3, 4. So 14 hour plus 3, 4 hour. And 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 3 by 4 into 60, this is in minute, which is 15 and 3, 45 minutes. So 14 hour plus 45 minutes. So we changed 14.75 hour in 14 hour plus 45 minutes. So if we add 14, 45 in this one, then we will get the time where the rain stops. So how much time? And we can also, because this is our 24-hour format, okay, so we have to change this 9:45 p.m. in 24-hour format. So we can write 9 hours is 21 and 45. So now both quantities are in 24-hour format. Now we can add 14 and 21, which is 25 and 45, which is next day, which is Tuesday. Okay, which is Tuesday. If I add 21, 45, if I add 15 minutes, first I add 15 minutes, then it is 22. If I add 2 hours, then it is 24. This is our 24. And we have to add 14, 45, which is 12 and 12 hours plus 30 minutes more. So we will move to Tuesday 12:30 p.m. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, I will explain again this question because it was very good. Okay, I am explaining again. 9:45 p.m. First we have to change this in 24-hour format, which is 21 and 45 p.m. Now we have to add 14.75, which is 14 hour and 45 minutes. We have to add 14 hour and 45 minutes in this one, 21 in this time. Now if we add first 15 minutes, then it is 22 hours, and if we remove 15, then the time is 14 hour 30 minutes. Now we have to add 14 hour plus 30 minutes. So if I add 2 hours, then this is 24 hours, and remaining is 12 hours plus 30 minutes. Okay, so this is 12 hours 24 hours till Monday, and if we add 12 hour 30 minute in Monday, then we will got 12:30 p.m. Tuesday. Okay, so this one is our correct answer. So the answer is 12:30 p.m. on Tuesday, and in 12-hour format, the answer is 12:30 p.m. and in 24-hour format, the answer is also 12:30 p.m. Okay, because 12:30 is 12:30 in all format. Now moving to next one. Convert the following durations 1.5 hours in hours and minutes. 1.5 hours means 1 hour plus 0.5 hour, and we know that 1 hour plus 0.5 we can write 1 by 2, and in 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 hour there are 60 minutes, then 1 by 2 hours there are 30 minutes. So 1 hour and 30 minutes. This is our correct answer for option A. I can write 1 hour 30 minutes. 3.25 hours. 3 hour 0.25 each divided by 100. This is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 60, and it is 15 minutes. So 3 hour 15 minutes. Now 1.8 day. We know that 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 1.8 days, 1 day plus 0.8 day, which is 24 hours plus 0.8 day into 24. So 0.24 into 0.8, 19.2 hours. 24 plus 19 is 43 hours plus 0.2 hours. and we can multiply 0.2 into 60 minutes. So this is 12 minutes. Okay, so total time is 43 hours and 12 minutes. We can write 43 hour 12 minutes. This is correct answer. Now 4 hour 15 minutes in minutes. 4 hours plus 15 minutes. We know that 1 hour is 60 minutes and this is in minutes. So 240 plus 15 is 255 minutes. Okay, 255 minutes. This is correct answer. 741 minutes in hour and minutes. 741 minutes. First we will change in 741 by 60 hours. So how much time? We know that 720 plus 21. We can write 740 in 720 on 21. So this is 12 hour plus 21 upon 60 hour. Now changing 12 hour plus 21 upon 60 into 60 minutes. So this is 21 minutes. So the answer is 741 minute 12 hour 21 minute. Okay, so this one is 12 hour 21 minutes and this one you will do by yourself. 2.3 days multiply by 60, like one day is 24 hours, so multiply this by 24 and you will get the answer. 3.7 hours in hours and minutes. This one also you do by yourself. 0.9 hour in seconds. This one I do. 0.9 hour in second. We know that 0.9 hour is 0.9 into 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So we can change 0.9 into 60 seconds. This one is if we multiply 9 into 30 60 second 360 second and we will got 4 5 9 27 3240 second. So this is our correct answer. 0.9 hour is 3240 second. Now change 570 seconds in minutes and second. You can divide 570 you can divide 570 upon 60. So this second will convert in minutes and this is our 9 minutes plus 1 by 2 minutes. So this is 9 minutes plus 30 seconds because 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 1 by 2 minute is 30 seconds. This is our answer, 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, next this one you will do by yourself. 0.02 hour multiply by 60 and you will get the answer. Okay, 13th, when the local time in Harare is 7:30, the local time in New York is 1:30. What is the local time in Harare when it is 21:45 in New York? So this question is based on time zone. We know that when Harare is time is 7:30, then and New York is 1:30. It means Harare is 6 hours ahead of New York, because if we add 6 hours in this one plus 6 hours, then we will get Harare. It means Harare is 6 hours ahead of New York. Okay. What is the local time in Harare when it's 21:45 in New York? If in New York time is 21:45, then we will add 6 hours in this one. If we add 6 hours, then we will get if I add 15 minutes. If I add 15 minutes in this one plus 15, then I will get 22, and after that I will add 2 hours, then I will get 24. Okay, and if I add 3 hours, remaining 3 hours and 45 minutes, then this is next day 3:45. This is next day. So the correct answer is we have to add this is in New York. If we add 6 hours, then we will get 3:45 a.m., which is next day. Okay. 14. A flight departs London at 14:30 local time on Friday and arrives in Kuala Lumpur at 11:55, which is Kuala Lumpur is 8 hours ahead of London. Find the flight duration. Okay, so in this one, we know that the departure time from London to 14:30, which is Friday. Okay, so Kuala Lumpur is 8 hours ahead of London. So if we add 8 hours in this one, we will get 22:30, which is also Friday. Okay, and this is Kuala Lumpur time. This is Kuala Lumpur time. And arrival is 11:55 Saturday. Arrival 11:55 Saturday. So we have to calculate the duration. So the total duration is, so we have to start from this time. 22 hours 30 minutes, and we have to start on Friday, and we have to reach 11:55 on Saturday. So the total time is, if I add, like this is on Friday, if I add 1 hour, 1 hour and 30 minutes, then I will get 24, which is midnight, 24, which is midnight. Okay, this is Saturday midnight. And if I add 11 hours, 11 hours and 55 minutes, then I will get 11:55 a.m. Okay, this is also Saturday. So how much time we add? 1 hour 30 minutes, 11 hour 55 minutes. So the total time we add 1 hour 30 minutes plus 11 hour 55 minutes. This is minutes. So this is 13 hour 25 minutes. Okay, this is our flight duration. This is correct answer. 13 hour 25 minutes. Now moving to the last question. So Malika arrives at work in Port Louis at 8:30 local time. She starts writing report at 9:45 and finishes after 3 hours 35 minutes later. 20 minutes later she emails Dina in Dhaka. 20 minutes later in Dhaka, who receives it immediately. When Malika arrives at work, the local time in Dhaka was 10:30. Find the local time in Dhaka when Dinar received the email. Okay. So first it is given that Malika arrives at Port Louis, which is 8. Malika arrives at Port Louis. Port Louis. Port Louis. It is 8:30 local. Okay. And she starts at 9:45 and writes for 3 hours 35 minutes. So she started at 9:45 and finished at 3 hours 35 minutes. So the time of finishing writing is 9:45 plus 3:35. Okay, so this is 13:20. This is 13:20 when she finished writing. After that, she emails Dina in Dhaka in 20 minutes. If I add plus 20 minutes, which is 13:40. Okay, so she emails Dina in Dhaka, and this is Port Louis time. Okay, and when Malika arrives, which is 8:30, and Dhaka time was 10:30. This line, read this line. When Malika arrives at work, the local time in Dhaka was 10:30. So Malika arrives at 10:30, and the local time is, this is Port Louis and this is Dhaka. Okay, so the time difference is 2 hours. It means Dhaka is 2 hours ahead of Port Louis. Okay, Dhaka is 2 hours ahead of Port Louis. So when the email sent at 3:30. Okay, this is Port Louis time, and we have to find the time in Dhaka when Dina receives. So this is Port Louis time. Okay, this is Port Louis time. So we know that Dhaka is 2 hours ahead of Port Louis. So the Dina receives the mail. We have to add 2 hours in this one. Okay, so it is 15:40 this time. So Dina receives the email is the time is 15:40. Okay, this is 24-hour format, and we can convert in 12-hour format, which is 3:40 p.m. Okay, which is 12-hour format. So both the answer are correct. If you asked for 24-hour format, then the answer is 15:40, and if the question asked for 12-hour format, the answer is 3:40 p.m. Okay, so this is our last question, and we have completed exercise 1.1b. Okay, and yesterday I completed exercise 1.1a, and today it is exercise 1.1b. Okay, so tomorrow I will do the next exercise. So thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe to the video. Okay, we will meet tomorrow again. Thank you.